Welcome to Potrolekha Textiles and happy Diwali to all of you. Now I show you Bishnupuri 3-ply and the design is hand painted kalamkari. Okay, the sari base color is tussar color, but for the light the color is different between. Hand painted kalamkari Bishnupuri 3-ply, and this is the body color. Body is plain and this hand painted kalamkari design in upper border and lower border. Okay, I show you the upper, this is lower border and this is upper border, and this is pallu. Pallu is two peacock motif. This is pallu. If you want this sari, please give me video and booking this sari. This is blouse piece. Blouse piece is plain tussar color. This is blouse piece. Blouse piece is plain tussar color. This is Bishnupuri hand painted kalamkari. Okay, thank you.